Hi, I'm John Prasinos, Editorial Director of Investing Daily. I'm also the Chief Investment Strategist of the premium trading service, Marijuana Profit Alert. Welcome to my Weed Report. Germany is on the march again. This time, the country is on the cusp of conquering cannabis. Germany already is the economic growth engine of Europe. Germany also is the continent's biggest market for marijuana. Now that a legalization bill has passed the Bundestag, the country is on track to become the biggest marijuana market on the planet. Germany's Bundestag, the national parliament, on February 23rd officially approved a bill to legalize marijuana nationwide. 2 days after the cannabis legislation was considered by 8 committees of the Bundestag, the full body voted 407 to 226 on final passage last Friday. The legislation will make possession and home cultivation legal in Germany and authorize social clubs that distribute marijuana to members. The bill is designed to legalize possession by adults of up to 25 grams, nearly an ounce, of marijuana for recreational purposes and allowing individuals to grow up to 3 plants on their own. The bill this week heads to the Bundesrat, a separate legislative chamber that represents German states, but that's just a formality. The Bundesrat can't stop the reform from being enacted. The legalization bill is scheduled to take effect April 1, but there is a slight wrinkle. The Bundesrat might decide to refer the legislation to a mediation committee to address criminal justice-related implications of the law, which could mean a few months of additional discussion before the bill really becomes law. The coalition German government is composed of the Social Democratic Party, Alliance 90, the Greens, and the Free Democratic Party, an arrangement known as a, quote, traffic light coalition in Germany after the party's traditional colors, respectively red, green, and yellow, matching the colors of a traffic light. As this chart shows, marijuana usage is robust in Germany across demographic groups. Cannabis in the country is increasingly integrated into the social mainstream. Medical marijuana has been legal in Germany since 2017. The new bill legalizes weed across the board for medical as well as recreational use. The following chart shows the cannabis money that's at stake in Germany alone. Cannabis companies that have expanded into Germany and Europe are well positioned to take advantage of this legislative change. Even before Germany legalized marijuana last week, sales projections for medical marijuana in Germany called for impressive multi-year growth, as this chart shows. Cannabis companies are scrambling to expand their German operations or to launch new ones. We're now seeing a frenzy to invest in the German cannabis industry. German Health Minister Karl Lauterbach, who has for months been the government's lead advocate of the cannabis legalization bill, said ahead of the floor vote that the country is fundamentally changing our cannabis control policy in order to combat the black market. The second goal, Lauterbach asserted, is better protection for children and young people. Pointing to high youth use rates under the current law, he said that the legalization bill is an urgently needed modernization of our cannabis policy. The research firm New Frontier Data recently examined the growth of illicit marijuana sales in Germany as a case study of the world's growing black market for the substance. If federal legalization hadn't occurred, illicit sales in Germany would grow from $14.9 billion in 2023 to $16.6 billion in 2025 in US dollars. Even though recreational pot has been banned in Germany, the country already is leading the European cannabis market in terms of size and growth. According to market research firm Prohibition Partners, over 1 million German patients will have access to medical cannabis by 2024, and the German medical market alone will be worth 7.7 billion euros by 2028. Germany's historic vote to legalize pot isn't the final word. A complex series of regulations still need to be implemented, but the country's action will serve as a catalyst for legalization in other countries throughout Europe. The trends I've just described make it clear that every portfolio should have exposure to companies in the cannabis sector. That's why you should consider my trading service, Marijuana Profit Alert. Marijuana Profit Alert can help you make money from the investment bonanza in marijuana and other psychotropic drugs that were once illicit but are now entering the mainstream. To learn more, click the URL at the bottom of the article. that accompanies this video on the Investing Daily website. Thanks for watching.